Hey, we're doing some laminate flooring in this bedroom here. Laminate's not too hard as long as you have the right tools. So I picked up this kit on Amazon by WORKPRO for laminate flooring. It comes with a nice hammer. You got your bar to pull your pieces together. You got some shims here. You got your block here for when you hammer the pieces together. I like this hammer here. It's got a softer side when you're hitting your wood directly. And then it's got a hard side for when you're using your block or your tool to pull these together. This has a couple felt pads. That way you don't damage your board. This block works really nice for pounding your planks together. It's got a nice edge here. That way it doesn't damage your flooring. So we're gonna make sure everything lines up. There's no damage to the edge there. And once again, I'm going to use the end piece here. Nice, no damage, nice and tight.